Hey guys, just received the package. DREAMIZER's racing mirrors. So it comes in the box, 2 mirrors, 4 screws, 4 washers. So let's install this and see what they look like. I think they're pretty nice. So hard plastic, heavy duty bolt, adjustable, simple. Let's grab a couple screws. 4 metric Allen key to screw these in. So the 2 holes on the bar here. Line up your holes. Pretty simple. Line up the other hole. There we go. Mirror goes upside down. Well, it's not upside down, but the bracket's on the top. Just eyeball. Don't tighten it tight because you won't be able to see the other one after. So we're just trying to get a couple turns on there by hand so we don't cross thread anything. And then the other one. And then you can, if you can't swivel it, that means they're both caught at the right place, because obviously it would dip down on one side. So just tighten his hand by hand as much as you can. There we go, it's holding on there. I recommend that you tighten these by hand. I'm just gonna do them quickly with this here. And that's it. Installed. Really quick, really easy. 4mm dort. Remove the plastic on the camera lens. Easy to adjust. So, yeah. Very simple. Very easy. Looks clean. So, yeah. Really nice. And the mirror inside, if you guys want to take a look, is adjustable as well. So you adjust how much in you want and the height from down to side to how you want it. Very easy. Just push in the corners, top. Very easy. And they're stiff, so they shouldn't, with the vibration, they're not going to move out of place, as you can see, staying in the same spot. Vibration is our enemy in side-by-sides. So yeah, and if you hit a tree going by, you're not breaking anything. So easy to find. I'll put the link in the description below, and you can find these on Amazon, so just check it out. And pretty easy. You don't break the bank. They're way less expensive than the Can-Am ones. And guys climbing rocks, guys climbing anything that flips stuff over, these are not going to break the bank at all. And yeah, I recommend them. They're really nice. Yeah, and you can pop the cap in the back to tighten the nut for the mirror, so you can even put it snugger if you want. But that's the mirrors. So nice little racing mirrors. So I'm happy with them. So check it out. Yeah. Clean fit, fits nicely. Everything's nice and snug. Yeah. So we'll catch you on the next one. I know it wasn't a long video. I'll go install the other side, and you guys have a nice weekend. And please subscribe if you haven't. So leave at least a thumbs up. Everything helps. So bye for now, and have a safe weekend trail riding. Bye.